Hey, it's Trish, and this is Fold of the Week, a show where I share powerful print marketing ideas to help you achieve success on any budget. On episode 570, I shared 3 really exciting shaped roll folds. They were hand-folded specialty formats with a lot of wow factor. So this week, I'm going to prove that you can make a big statement with a creative perimeter shape, even on simple formats like the trifold, with the extra benefit of machine folding in many cases. I have 3 shaped trifolds to share, so let's take a closer look. This first example is a targeted direct mail piece designed by Helen for the National Association of Realtors, and it was designed to drive registration for their annual conference. It included 2 useful QR codes and a special discount promo code to purchase a Premier Pass. For extra attention in the mail, the piece mailed in a clear envelope with a blank stiffener sheet inside the envelope that became the mailing panel. These were printed 4-color process with a satin aqueous coating on a 100-pound Opus Dell cover. They were die-cut, scored, and machine folded. They sent out just over 14,000 pieces. Early results from this recent mailing already show over $12,000 in direct sales attributed to the promo code alone, and more than 50 unique views generated on each QR code, which has given them tremendous tracking information and ROI data. A great example of creative, targeted, connected mail marketing. And to further drive my point home, here are 2 other shaped trifold ideas for you to consider. This simple trifold with rounded corners rides along with your new iMac. The rounded corners of this small brochure echo the rounded corners of the images of the product accessories. Clean imagery, soft grays, matte finish, and lots of white space make this piece distinctively Apple. This final octagonal-shaped example was an insert placed into an event invitation that was featured back on episode 237. Shimmery paper printed with metallic gold ink made this shaped trifold feel extra special. This piece was hand-folded and also held a ticket inside. Simple shape, simple folding style, huge impact. That's my big idea for you this week. A very special thanks to the creators of the samples featured in this episode for sharing their solutions with us. If you've ever been inspired by something you've seen on the show, please consider folding it forward and sharing your work too. If you're looking for more ideas, downloads, and templates, visit Foldfactory.com, and remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.